Now, it's a big day on the election campaign front in India. Two big public rallies, one on each side of the political divide. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will kick off BJP's election campaign in western Uttar Pradesh with a rally in Meerut. The BJP has fielded actor Arun Govil as its candidate from here. Rashtriya Lok Dal President Jayant Chaudhary, who recently joined the BJP-led NDA, will share the stage with the Prime Minister today. Uttar Pradesh BJP General Secretary Anup Gupta has been tasked with coordinating the Prime Minister's rally. Apart from Meerut, attendees from nearby constituencies such as Bagpat, Bijnor, Muzaffarnagar, Kairana will also join the rally. The local administration has enhanced security measures ahead of the Prime Minister's rally. Flying drones, kites or balloons within an 8-kilometer radius from the rally venue has been prohibited under Section 144 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Meanwhile, the opposition INDIA bloc is gearing up for a major show of unity at Ram Leela ground in New Delhi. This is where it plans to hold a rally protesting against the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren by the Enforcement Directorate. Hemant Soren's wife Kalpana Soren had met jailed Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal at her residence on Saturday. Both Sunita Kejriwal and Kalpana Soren will also attend the INDIA bloc's mega rally. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and former President Rahul Gandhi will be present alongside top leaders of 11 other opposition parties that have confirmed their attendance at the rally in Ram Leela ground. The Congress has said that the rally is to safeguard the constitution and democracy. The opposition parties stress that a strong message will be sent out from the rally to Lok Kalyan Marg, signalling that the BJP-led government's time is up. Addressing a press meet on the rally, all constituents of the INDIA Jan Bandhan will participate. While the administration has permitted 20,000 attendees, the police expect the turnout to be over 30,000. The Delhi Traffic Police have issued an advisory ahead of the upcoming INDIA block rally. The advisory stated that areas like Ranjit Singh Flyover, Vivekanand Marg, JLN Marg and Chaman Lal Marg will experience regulated or potentially restricted traffic movement. Rajghat Chowk, Minto Road and other nearby areas will see significant diversions in place during the event as well. Citizens have been advised to use public transport, particularly metro services.
We're currently here at the Ram Leela ground in New Delhi, where a massive rally by the opposition India Alliance is expected to begin in a short while from now. As you can see behind me, crowds from the Aam Aadmi Party workers to opposition workers and supporters have begun gathering. Crowds are swelling up as the event is supposed to begin in a short while from now. To reiterate, this entire rally is taking place days after Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate under allegations of his involvement in a liquor policy scam. Now, following his arrest and repeated custodial interactions at the court and the fact that he's still in custody, this has brought together the entire opposition alliance in a way that we haven't seen in the past few weeks and months. Now, top brass from Congress, from Aam Aadmi Party, from TMC, from Samajwadi Party, to across several parties from the south, from Maharashtra as well, are expected to be here shortly. Now, how the opposition bloc plans to play this entire thing out, how is it that they look forward to approach the Lok Sabha elections, which are supposed to begin in a few weeks, and how is it that they plan to, to rally support and pin it on the shoulders of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's arrest? Those are things that we will see panning out across the day when the leadership over here arrives. In the meantime, as we're seeing, a lot of sloganeering is going on. There are old songs of freedom and democracy that are being played in the background, as this rally by the opposition has aptly been called the Save Democracy Rally. With video journalist Shekhar, this is Dharamjot Kaur for WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.